And as you know, I don't know how to sketch anything. When you will be under pressure to learn something, you will learn faster. That's the beauty of this. It shouldn't be like this. Then there is no meaning of doing overhand. The simplest one is a leaf. You should know how to use it. Since really long for all my students, I used to think that sketching is difficult and I used to just run away from that. Hi everyone, my name is Sakshi. Welcome to Season 1 Episode 5 Telugu by Sakshi, and today we are going to learn about basics of sketching and shading. Let's go. I got a student who wants to learn sketching, and as you know, I don't know how to sketch anything. I'm really confused that should I take him or not? Oh yeah, take it. See, because when you will be under pressure to learn something, you will learn faster. Okay, you just have to do that before every session. You practice the whole session 2 to 3 times, and then you teach. In this way, you will also learn faster, and things will go very well. Oh yeah, please tell me, so I can just sit and practice it daily, and I can get better in that. See, today we will learn basics of sketching. I'll teach you some exercises which will help you to get better in sketching. We will also do an object, study how light falls and where the shadow will come, where the highlight will come, like that. See, you need to understand that in sketching, lines and shapes are very important. If you are good in making straight lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines and different shapes, you will be able to make a good sketch, okay? So first we will learn these foundation things, so you get better in that, and then only we can make some complicated stuff. Alright. See, once you start doing these exercises daily, after 14 to 20 days, you will start seeing the result in your sketching. It will get clear and nice. Alright. Okay, then let's go. Let's start learning. So, see. Alright. First, we need to understand that we actually never sketch, like I never sketch on the easel. I always keep my book in a sleeping position on my desk and then do it, okay? So I'm not going to get so many straight lines. So please do not judge. Alright, see, now, first we will start with the sleeping line. Okay, you need to hold the pencil slightly up here. And then you just have to make some freehand sleeping line. I'll try my best to do it in this angle.
I will do it. Surely I'll do it.
It's too much uncomfortable. So you will see that you will not get so many like straight sleeping line, right? There's one exercise where you just take this, make a line with the ruler. Okay. Now what you have to do is see. You have to trace it on this.
Got it.
Very slowly and steadily.
Getting it. Alright.
Okay, 20 times from left to right and 20 times from right to left. After doing this exercise, you will understand that slowly and steadily your hand is able to make a nice, perfect sleeping line. Okay? That's the beauty of this. This exercise. I will not get it.
Getting it.
As I am I'm sitting in a different position, so you have to keep it on the desk and do this. Okay. Once you are done with the sleeping line, you are going to do the same exercise for the standing lines. Okay.
Getting it.
First, see, always first make freehand standing lines. Okay. Once you are done, take the ruler, trace it, and then do it again. You will see before and after.
Getting it.
Clearly, and it will look amazing. Okay.
I was actually trying the overhand grip, and it was just very much uncomfortable for my hands.
Alright. Okay.
But as you're saying that slowly and steadily I'll get used to it, I'll surely do it.
Alright. So now the homework of this episode is that you have to do this tracing exercise daily for 30 days and always write date on every sheet. Okay. When you are done with 30 days, you can compare your day 1 and day 30. Surely you will see the change. You can just comment down, and then you can just comment down when you are starting, and then you can just come back after 30 days and let me know your feedback. I would love to know. Alright. Now, see,
getting it.
in sketching there is lines, oval, circles. For circles also, you will take any circular object.
Got it.
I can't apply
Getting
too
it.
much of pressure on this easel. Okay. So I just need to do it roughly.
Got it.
Okay. Once you are done, go first anti-clockwise 10 times
Alright,
and then
okay.
clockwise 10 times. Okay.
ठीक है.
Then you will try
I will
to
do
make
it.
a
Surely I will do
circle here. You know, you need to keep on rotating your hand until and unless you don't get a perfect one. Are you getting it? So that will help you out. Okay.
Yes.
I hope it's
I
clear
will
till now,
practice.
right?
For sure,
All right.
Yeah, the sleeve is not looking good
Okay.
at all, you know. It's not looking like how I was expecting. Okay, let's see how it
This
turns
is what
out.
you need to practice in sketching, the shading, the line exercises, lines and circles. Once you are done with this, see there are many other exercises which you can do to
Getting
get
it.
better.
All
But
right.
these are the simplest one
Okay.
which you can do to get better. Okay, now this is how we normally hold the pencil. There is
got
one
it.
more way. There
Getting
is
it.
one more way of holding the pencil called overhand grip. So this is your
All
palm.
right. Okay.
You will take your pencil, keep
Got
it
it.
here, roll,
Okay.
and then in this way. Okay.
All right.
Over
okay.
here,
Got it.
we just shade it like
Okay.
this.
I will
So
do it.
you will
Surely
see
I will do it.
that the shading will come very nice. If you hold your pencil like this and do, you will not get the same effect. You can see, right? This is more smudgeable and blendable and everything.
Got it.
So that works better.
Okay.
Okay. See, this will take little
Getting
time
it.
to get.
All
This
right.
will take little time to get
Okay.
used to it, and it is little painful for the hand, no doubt. But just in the beginning, once you are used to it, it's okay.
Got
Good
it.
to go.
Getting it.
So first, you just try to color it.
All right. Okay. Got it.
Okay. Do it at least 10
Okay.
times daily for 5 to 6 days.
All right.
Okay.
Got it.
Once you are done with
Okay.
this, you know,
I will do it. Surely I will do it.
in sketching, okay, whenever we need to add depth to any object, values play a very important role. What are values? Okay, so this is, if I do it like this, this is the lighter one,
Okay.
more dark,
Got it. Getting it.
darker,
Okay. So these are the values. Okay.
darkest.
All
Okay, so
right.
these are the different values which we use according to the sketch. Alright, so now I will tell you one easier exercise to get this different values very easily. Okay. Whenever we are starting
Getting
anything,
it.
we need to simplify that particular thing.
Okay.
And then we will move ahead to the next level. Now, what you will do? I need to just hold my easel
Got it.
so it doesn't
Getting it.
fall. Okay, now see, you will
All
apply
right.
a lot of pressure. Decrease
Got
the
it.
pressure, decrease the pressure, decrease the
Okay.
pressure, decrease the pressure, decrease the pressure, and
All
then
right, okay.
disappear.
Got it.
Can you see how it is
Okay.
going? So
I
first
will
you
do
need
it.
to do
Surely
this
I'll do it.
exercise at least 20 to 30 times, and then I held the pencil normally. Okay. Then you will take this way. Now you will start.
Okay.
Apply pressure.
Got it.
Reduce the pressure.
Okay.
Reduce the pressure. Reduce the
Getting
pressure.
it. All right.
And then
Okay.
disappear. Got it? Okay, that's how it will go. This will take time to
got it.
understand and learn
Getting
and get used to it. No need to rush and no need to think why you're not
Alright,
getting it. No need to get irritated when
Got
you're not
it.
getting it. You need to sit patiently and keep on practicing. Alright, so if in case
Alright.
there is one
Got
more exercise, if in
I will
case
do
you're
it.
not able
Surely
to
I
get
will do
this directly, after doing this is the first. There's one more exercise which is again a simplified one. You can do it. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to teach you everything.
Okay.
Okay, so you will just make.
Got it. Yeah, even I saw some videos on YouTube, and they were saying that lines are very important. Very important. You do this, you do
I'll
that.
just do that. Okay, so now there
I
are
will take this
4
into
boxes.
consideration.
Okay, again hold it like this.
Okay. Got it.
You will go with the lightest.
Okay. Getting it.
Okay, this is just
Alright.
too much down.
Okay.
A slightly darker,
Okay. Got it.
more
Getting
darker.
All right. Okay. Got it.
Darkest. You will do this exercise. Okay. Once you are done with this exercise, this is the
All
second.
right. Okay. Got it.
Then you go for
Okay.
here.
I will do
Third.
it. Surely I'll do
Got it? How you are going to achieve this first do this. If you want, you can also practice this, then do this, and then do this. See, if you skip any step and you just jump, there are chances that you will not get this at all, and it will take a lot of time and you get disappointed.
Getting it.
So better you go step by step. Take it easy and go. I know I'm teaching a lot in this episode, but I have to. So you can always
Getting it.
you can always come back. You can always come back and keep. You can also. You can always come back to this video and do it. Okay. And also, do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'm going to make many more videos, and every video is taking.
I will do it.
So it would be very nice if you can subscribe. Thank you. Now we are done with this. Okay. So the lines are done. I'll just do a quick recap before moving ahead towards the object. Okay. Just a quick recap.
Got it.
First, you will do lines. Okay. So first, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line. Once you are comfortable with this, you will go for the circle. Always take a circular object. Always take a circular object. Trace it and then try to make your own circle. Once you are comfortable with this, move ahead towards the pressure. Okay. Then practice holding the pencil. You can always hold the pencil like this, and you can also make the line.
Alright, okay.
That is also fine. Okay.
Okay. I will do it.
Okay, in the shading, there is one more important tip. One important tip: this pencil should be touching this when you're doing it. It shouldn't be like this. Then there is no meaning of doing overhand grip. You have to touch like this. And then, this whole part should be touching your paper to get the best result.
Alright.
Okay. Then once you are done with the pressure control, then practice overhand grip, then practice values, then come here. Okay. I hope it's clear till now. Okay.
Yeah, now it's slowly and steadily turning better.
Okay. That's nice. I'm happy that you are liking it and you are understanding. Do not forget to practice, okay? Okay, now let me explain you the application of the shading so you will be more excited to do it, okay? I don't want to take anything complicated. I want to take something very simple so you guys will love it. The simplest one is a leaf.
Alright,
okay.
I
was
take it.
Alright. I will just make it slightly bigger so you know. Okay, now so there is one object. Okay. First, you need to decide where is the light source.
Okay.
It's here, or on the top. So
getting it. Alright. Okay.
Light source. Okay. If the light source is coming from here, of course, this area will have light, lot of light. It will be having highlights. Okay. Now, again, I'll hold the pencil like this. See. You are never supposed to build up the layer at once. We always work gradually.
Alright, okay, got it.
You are supposed to
take it. I will do it. Surely, I'll do
very lightly. See, you can't even see, right? I guess. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe in the camera it's not visible. Okay. I have not even reached there. I just stopped in the middle. But it's so light that you can't see. Correct? Now, again.
Okay.
I'll build up the layer.
Getting it. Alright.
And then I'll just keep on doing lighter and lighter and lighter. Getting it? Start from dark, a slight dark, and then keep on going lighter.
Got it. Getting it.
I'll again do dark to light to light to light to light to lightest. See?
Okay.
I know it's not looking good at all, but wait.
Alright, okay. Got it. Take it. I will do it. Surely, I'll do it.
Okay. See, you will slowly and steadily go there.
Okay.
Got it? Now,
getting
I'll hold the pencil in this way. See, whatever is coming in this area, no problem, we can always erase it. With very soft hand.
Got it.
You will go dark.
It's so pretty. I like it. Very nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Again.
Okay.
Got it? How it is going? Yeah, now.
Okay.
For the other part.
Getting it.
Just
alright. Okay.
Just to add some contrast. Go from dark
got it.
to light.
Getting it.
I'm not even reaching the midrib. I am keeping some space.
Got it. Okay.
I will just go again. See, that is how you're supposed to work. Okay, you have to keep on building
I
up
will
the
do it.
layer.
Surely I'll
If
do
you think that okay, in one go I'll make the darkest to the lightest, it will not look good. Okay, so to add depth, you have to keep on working.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Getting it. All right. Okay.
Now I'll hold the pencil like this. Actually, no need to hold the pencil like this. In stationery, you will get the pencil of
Got
10B,
Getting
8B, 6B. Okay, you can use those
All right,
pencils and do it. Right now, I'm out.
Got
Right
it.
now, it's just not there
Okay.
with me, so I have to manage with the same pencil.
All right. Okay. Got it.
But it's okay. Even with the
Okay.
same pencil, you can.
I
get
will
a lot
do
of
it.
depth.
Surely I'll do it.
You should know how to use it. That's it.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Getting it. All right. Okay.
All right, we are done with it. See, it will take like 2 to 3 weeks to
Got it. Getting it.
getting comfortable with this. Okay, so make sure that you practice well and
Thank
do
you
it.
so
and
much.
you all
Thanks for
please do
teaching.
practice
Thanks
and
for
update me in the
teaching. I
comment
really
box.
loved it.
I would love to know
Thank
how it is
you.
going. All right, so I hope you like this episode. I was very excited, and I wanted to shoot this video since really long for all my students and for everybody who thinks that sketching is difficult, but it's actually not difficult. I used to think that sketching is difficult, and I used to just run away from that always, but then I always got the student who loved sketching like anything. So for them, I learned in this way, and it worked out very well. So you just have to go step by step, take it easy. Don't think that in 2 days you will get really good. You have to keep on doing, keep on practicing, and you will get better. Please do subscribe my channel and like this video, and let me know what else you would like to learn in the comment box. Thank you. Bye-bye.